this section, I will demonstrate how to apply and use bioenergy therapy and a heated wheat pack for heel spur or plantar fasciitis. First of all, what is a heel spur or plantar fasciitis? There is a difference between plantar fasciitis and a heel spur, although both issues affect the heel. A heel spur is a bony protrusion on the plantar fascia as a result of calcium deposit. Plantar fasciitis is where the plantar fascia becomes swollen or inflamed, thereby causing pain in the heel. Plantar fasciitis is a common cause of heel pain and is the result of inflammation, damage or injury of the fascia tissue, called plantar fascia, which stretches across the bottom of your foot from your heel bone to your toes. Plantar fasciitis results in a sharp stabbing pain which usually occurs in the morning when you begin to walk or run. As you walk or move slowly, the pain normally decreases. Plantar fasciitis is the usual cause of pain on the bottom of your foot, in the area around your heel and arch. Plantar fasciitis can affect any person, whether involved in sporting activities or not, but is more commonly associated with athletes, particularly those involved in jogging or running. Symptoms or indications of plantar fasciitis or heel spur problems can include acute to severe pain in the sole of your foot, sharp stabbing pain in the lower heel, or pain in the heel of the foot while standing, walking or running. The cause of plantar fasciitis is normally due to injury, rupture or repetitive strain of the ligament on the sole of your foot. This strain or injury can be the result of excessive running or fast walking without proper preparation and stretching exercises beforehand. It may also be caused by a jumping injury. There is an increased risk of plantar fasciitis developing to those who may be overweight. Plantar fasciitis may result from the use of improper or inadequate footwear for the sport or exercise you are engaging in. A heel spur is a bony protrusion on the plantar fascia as a result of calcium deposit. This self-healing presents a simple and effective way to help you deal with specific health concerns. You can learn how to hold your hands in several positions and direct life force energy through joints, limbs and muscles, plus many areas of the body that may need healing. I will now demonstrate these self-healing bioenergy hand positions for working on plantar fasciitis or a heel spur on the left foot. The principle involved in using bioenergy therapy is to direct and apply life force energy to help clear and unblock any stagnant or blocked energy, and to help stimulate and activate healthy blood supply at a cellular level to any area of the body that needs healing or is affected by sickness, disease, illness, injury or pain. To begin the session, rub your two hands together vigorously as I'm demonstrating. This is to help stimulate, activate and build up the life force energy you have in the palms of your two hands. Then, place your left hand on the front of your ankle below the shin bone and your right hand underneath the heel. Then place your right hand underneath the heel and your left hand underneath the ball of your foot and your toes. Then place one hand each side of the heel and sole of the foot, directing this life force energy straight through the heel and the plantar fascia. The aim is to apply life force bioenergy through the sole of the foot and the heel, from several different angles, diagonally and straight through the sole and heel. Hold each of these positions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then place your left hand on the outside of your foot. Use your right hand to make circular movements anti-clockwise all around the heel and your foot. Continue to use this draw out technique as you draw your hand away from the foot. This is to help unblock any blocked or stagnant energy. After 2 or 3 movements of your hand, shake off and throw away any residue of possible blocked or stagnant energy that you may feel from your right hand and fingertips. Imagine you are gathering up cobwebs and then throwing them away. Repeat these circular motions and draw out technique 10 times. You can repeat this complete sequence of techniques as many times as required until the pain has reduced or diminished. Left and right hands can be interchanged. Use whichever hands are most comfortable for you to use for the various positions on either side of your body. The combination of bioenergy and using a heated wheat pack can help muscles, tendons, ligaments and the skeletal system to relax and heal at a deeper level and assist the body's own natural inner healing process. I will now demonstrate how you can apply a heated wheat pack to the heel and plantar fascia. Place your foot on a stool to support your foot. Alternatively, you can rest your foot on a pillow or cushion. Having previously heated the wheat pack, place it gently in a curve around the back of your heel. Tuck it in around the sides of your foot to hold it in position. You can leave the wheat pack in this position for as long as required. Then place the wheat pack on the stool and place your foot on the wheat pack. You can place 2 wheat packs side by side on the stool and place both feet on the 2 wheat packs. The wheat packs will gradually cool down, and when fully cooled down, you can reheat them again. The heated wheat pack can be applied outside of socks or stockings and can also be applied against the skin. The combination of bioenergy therapy and a heated wheat pack can be applied at any time for your own self-healing. The complete sequence of using bioenergy therapy plus applying a heated wheat pack can be repeated as often as required. All of the techniques you will see demonstrated can also be applied to you by another person to help you with your healing process. This completes your self-healing program for working on the heel spur and plantar fascia.